Hello, today I will show you how to make the bread thing from Super Smash Bros. So first you make like a dome tinfoil base, then you make little ridges for like the feet, I guess, I don't know. And then after that, you take some white clay. I use transparent clay and accidentally put too close to the heater, and you make it into like this icing shape. And you put it on top. Don't over bake it like I did. And then you make the little face with the two brown little line eyes and a little happy smile. And then at last you add the cherry on top, which is, well, a little ball. So yeah, that's how you make the cake guy from Super Smash Bros. At the beginning I said bread guy, but yeah, he's cake. I hope he's cake, because I don't know anyone that puts icing on their bread.